I got this tip from the guy at the body shop, and I thought I'd just share it. He told me that I guess he's factory caulking's not very good and moisture gets underneath here. So I'm just going down, putting another layer of caulking on, and he was saying that that'll save the water from coming up under and rusting this out. So I just thought I'd share that. Here's what it looks like on the driver's side. I've never really paid attention to it, but now I'm glad he pointed that out because that looks terrible. You can see that gap there. I can see where water can get in there. And this side's pretty dirty. I'm going to wipe this down with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm just going to put some caulking on it just like I did the other side.